Grow your business with Autumnfire Internet Solutions. Trusted partner since 1999. At Autumnfire Internet Solutions, we are dedicated to empowering small businesses like yours through cutting-edge web solutions. Established in 1999, we have been at the forefront of delivering professional website design that captures the essence of brands and drives engagement. Comprehensive services offered. Professional website design. Create a standout online presence that represents your business effectively. Reliable web hosting. Ensure your site is always up and running smoothly with our robust hosting solutions. Ongoing website maintenance. Keep your site up to date with the latest trends and technologies without any hassle. Integrate AI to enhance your business operations. In this digital age, integrating AI into your business operations can transform how you interact with customers. Our services include AI-enhanced chatbots. Deploy chatbots on your website, Facebook, and Instagram pages to interact with visitors, answer queries about your products and services, schedule appointments, and manage interactions, like responding to Google reviews seamlessly. AI-driven marketing campaigns. Leverage AI-generated advertising campaigns and videos tailored specifically for your business to boost your marketing efforts and reach a broader audience. Why choose Autumnfire? Save time. Automate routine tasks, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Cut costs, optimize operations, and reduce expenses with technology-driven solutions. Expertise. Rely on our years of experience to guide you through the complexities of digital transformation. Let's make your business more comfortable online. At Autumnfire Internet Solutions, we are committed to making your online business journey as smooth and successful as possible. Visit us at autumnfire.com to learn more or contact us today to discuss how we can help you achieve your business goals. Experience the comfort of knowing your online needs are in expert hands since 1999. Let's take your business to the next level together. This video is brought to you by Autumnfire Internet Solutions, Inc., making business comfortable online since 1999.